Well, not to brag, folks, but Winterset, Iowa is the home of the biggest movie star in Hollywood history, John Wayne, known to us as Marion Michael Morrison. He was born May 26, 1907, and we're going to celebrate his 110th birthday this weekend in Winterset, Iowa. We're standing in the museum, which is the only museum in the world dedicated to our hero, John Wayne, who starred in over 200 pictures. We get thousands and thousands of people here monthly, and this new museum is built in 2015, and we get people from all over the world, and they leave here just happy. Some people spend hours here and literally cry when they see some of the artifacts and tell some of the stories of what they know about John Wayne. And of course, we try to tell the story of John Wayne and his Winterset roots and Iowa roots. He came from very humble beginnings. He lived in Iowa for about 5 or 6 years before he went to California and went to school out there and was raised out there and went to University of Southern Cal and kind of stumbled into the acting career, which is hard to believe because while he was making movies, he was the biggest box office star of all time and still is. So this is our museum, and maybe we can show you some pictures later and share it with you. Thank you.